The overall goal of this procedure is to prepare solution processable nanosheets of calcium copper tetrasilicate and barium copper tetrasilicate materials. This is accomplished by first preparing the bulk materials by either solid state or melt flux routes. The second step is to exfoliate these layered materials into nanosheets by using heating or ultrasonication technique. The final step is to disperse the nanosheets in water for solution processing. Ultimately, transmission electron microscopy is used to demonstrate the formation of alkali earth copper tetrasilicate nanosheets, and near-infrared imaging shows the luminescent properties of both powder and solution-processed nanosheet samples.
This method can provide insight into the factors that influence the formation and exfoliation of alkali earth copper tetrasilicates, and it also provides an easy way to process these materials.
Begin synthesizing calcium copper tetrasilicate with the melt flux method by weighing out calcium carbonate, silicon dioxide, and basic copper carbonate in a 2:8:1 molar ratio. In addition, weigh out the flux components of sodium carbonate, sodium chloride, and borax as 12.5% by weight of the other components. Put all of these materials in an agate mortar. The mixture will initially appear like this. Use an agate pestle to hand grind the mixture for about 5 minutes. Stop when the mixture becomes a homogeneous